Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. Then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very nice movement. When you consider where the price was at its lows on Thursday, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price is, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $5.80. Why is $5.80 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $5.80. If the price were to go down to $5.80 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $5.80. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now going into next week. All eyes are going to be on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and then it's just a very well-known and kind of pretty famous level within the world of charts. So keep an eye on that. Although as of right now, at least in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not necessarily the most important thing. Most important thing is just simply starting to go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases that are continuing to be built over time, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So as long as the price, continues to show progress again, which we are defining as staying above $5.80, then you got to like the prospects next week. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.